welcome. It's Megan here. Today I'm doing a Burlington clothes try-on haul. So it's stuff from Burlington Coat Factory. I found some super cute outfits. Can't wait to share them with you guys. And I haven't tried any of this stuff on, so we're trying it on for the first time together. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the little bell so you can be notified every time I post a video. So let's get into it. Okay, so first things first is this cute sweater. It was I think $24.99. It's super soft. I got it in an extra large. I kind of wish I had gotten it in just a large. I like the oversized look, but just a little bit smaller would be nice. So yeah, but I really love this pink. It's super nice material. So yeah, and then these jeans are the next item. They fit really nice, but I got them in a size 7 and they're just a little bit tight. So obviously from this last try on haul and this one, I don't wear a 7 anymore. So okay, anyway, they fit really good, but they're so tight. Like honestly, you guys, I'm dying. But I just think they're super cute. I love the way that these fit, and these were $19.99, so these are pretty affordable. I like the, you know, little distress, but not too much. I just think this is super cute. So yeah. So here is the next dress. It's actually too small. I'm struggling, but I did want to still show it. I was thinking it gives me like, you know, holiday party cutesy vibes, New Year's, that sort of thing. So that's why I got it, but I can't fit it. It's too tight in the arms, in my chest, everywhere. But I got this in a medium. Apparently I need the large, and this was $19.99. But I love the sparkles. It would have been super cute if I had done it. And also it has the sparkles on the back, which is also really nice, because you know some dresses it'll be super sparkly on the front and then the back is plain. But this is cute that it puts the sparkles on both sides. So yeah, the sparkles do kind of come off, so I'm gonna have sparkles all over the floor, but that's okay. So let's try it on with the outfit and then I will show it up close. So yeah, I like it. It's a little circle back just so you can get a feel for like the size. So now it has like this cute circle detail thing, and it's on both sides. I love the gold, and it says it's from the brand Mark New York, Andrew Mark. And then it's got a zipper, pretty spacious on the inside, so that's nice. And there's actually like a little pocket on this side, so you can stick like a phone if you have a really small phone, or if you stick like a something like money or like stuff in there. But yeah, I like it. I thought the little circle was cute. So yes, little boots. I think these are super cute. They have like the nice baby sparkle detailing on the side. I will zoom in closer so you guys can see them, but I really like them. They're actually pretty comfortable. I ended up getting these in an 8, and I normally wear an 8.5 to a 9, so you may want to try them on. It's from the brand BB. They were $29.99. You can wear them not tied, and you can also tie them and wear them. Of course, that's cuter. But yeah, I really like them. They're super cute. So next is this nice, super soft sweatshirt. It's pretty thick material. It says blessed. No, I'm not lucky, I'm blessed. Yes. This was $14.99. It was $14.99, and I got it in an extra large. I actually really like it. It's cute. Something just cute to throw on. And these leggings I got them because they were the copper fit, and I actually got the copper fit socks, like the knee-high socks, and they were really nice when I was, they're like compression socks. They were really nice when like I was standing up a lot and my ankles were kind of swelling. So I went to try the leggings. They were actually only $12.99 and their original price $45. So I went to try them, but I should have gotten a medium instead of a large. I normally wear a medium. I don't know why I got these in a large, but I actually really like them. They're super soft, they're super comfortable, and they are that athletic legging material, not like the just, you know, I'm gonna chill around the house leggings. So yeah, this was super cute. I like this. This is the next thing. I was super excited about this. This like velvet overall dress. Ooh, it's got pockets. Anyway, this was $14.99. I got it in a medium, so I was actually worried I couldn't fit it because, you know, the last thing was a medium, but it actually fits. And these are adjustable. I actually probably should adjust them. I just didn't. But they are adjustable, just so you know. And it's super cute. And underneath, I'm wearing like a bodysuit. Okay, the bodysuit that I'm wearing underneath here is super soft, kind of like just t-shirt material, and it is in a large, and it was $7.99. I just thought this was super cute. I probably should have put shoes on so you could get the full effect, but y'all got it. So yay, this is some cute stuff Burlington has. Yes, I found these little boots that are almost the same color as this, but even though they're not the same color, they're super cute with it, I think. And these were actually from City Trends. You can check them out in my last haul. But yes, this is actually super cute. I didn't even mean for these to go together, but I just really love velvet and like this burgundy color, so I did that. Next, I have this kind of black and white snakeskin blouse. This is my work outfit. Tried to do an array of outfits, if you could tell. This was only $9.99. I got it in a medium, and I actually really like it. I love snakeskin. Anyway, okay, the pants. Oops, zipper's falling. Got it. And the pants are an 8, but they're a little tiny, not a little, they're a lot. So I guess should have picked a different size. And these were $12.99, but they're nice pants, they're nice length. I could wear them with some heels, so that's cool. But they're definitely too tight. They're not appropriate for work today. So now I'm about to throw in a cardigan that I also got. It was a medium, and it's $14.99. And it's kind of like that cable knit texture, and yeah, you know, it's just a simple cardigan. This was like my work outfit. It's not as cute as the last outfit, but you know, work clothes never are. So actually, oh, I got 2 jackets, but yeah, so yeah, work clothes never are, but yeah, I really love the blouse actually. Next outfit. So, of course, since it was Burlington Coat Factory, I had to get a coat, actually 2. So this is the coat. It's that teddy bear teddy material. You know, I love these. I think if any of y'all have seen any previous try on haul, I feel like I get a teddy coat every time I go to the store, even during the summer. Don't know what's wrong. But this one was $19.99. I got it in an extra large because I like coats to be kind of big, and there's a zipper, pocket to the side. But also, like with coats, I like to be able to wear a sweater under them, so that's why I usually get them a little big. Sleeves are nice. I really like it. I really like it. Teddy bear. All right. I wanted like a Ferrolo coat. This one was $89. It's DKNY, and it's regular price like $245. If that's not being bougie on a budget, getting it for $89, I don't know what it is. Anyway, I really like it. They have a hood, ooh, which actually like really fits over your head. My mom also tried this coat on when she was in the store, and she has like locks right now. It fit over her head too, so it's a nice hood. And I just really like this green, these little pockets. They're like little buttons, so they open up. Oh, there's also a zipper. Yes, that's a pocket too. Let's go. Is it on this side? Okay, it's not on that side. And let's see. Here's the back. And oh, it has this little cinch thing on the inside. That's really nice. So you can like make it fit better. Since we can cinch it, let's do that. See if it did anything. Did it cinch it? Oh, it did. What? Okay, this is a really nice coat. It's here's like the inside material. Sorry, my leggings are kind of sagging. I was trying to like pretend y'all couldn't see that. Anyway, yeah, I actually really like it. It's super warm too. You know how sometimes you put on a coat and you know you're not gonna be warm for real, and you can tell like by putting it on. This is not that coat. I'm hot actually, but it's really nice, very insulating. All right, let me leave now. The try on all is over. But yeah, I really like the stuff I got from Burlington. So if you're looking for some winter clothes, fall clothes, definitely check it out. If you're looking for a coat, of course, check it out. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I wish it was, but it's not. And yes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Tell me if you've been to Burlington. Did you find some stuff? See you in my next one. Love you guys. Bye.